I'm going through the EDEXCEL GCSE Mathematics Paper 1 Foundation for November 2021. Question 11 reads as follows. The pictogram shows information about the number of video games sold in the shop on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. How many video games were sold on Monday? So as we can see, two larger squares in Monday. So one larger square is 8. So 2 times by 8 is 16. More video games were sold on Tuesday than on Wednesday. How many more? So first we need to find out how many smaller squares more there are. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So one smaller square equals 2 because 4 small squares equals 8. So 2 times by 6 is 12. On Thursday and Friday, a total of 32 video games were sold in the shop. A quarter of these 32 video games were sold on the shop on Thursday. Complete a pictogram for Thursday and Friday. So a quarter of 32 is 8. So these are how many were sold on Thursday. So 3/4 of it was sold on Fridays, which is 24. So we'll do 1 box for Thursday and 3 boxes for Friday. Like and subscribe for more.